Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to integrate Trello with Notion. To start this tutorial, make sure you're logged on to notion.so over at your internet browser. Once done, you're going to locate right now on the left side, Settings and Members. Tap on it. In here, go to My Connections. And then over at My Connections on the upper right, click on Show All. In here, you're going to locate Trello. Once you find it, click on Connect. Now wait for the website to finish authenticating your progress. This will take another few seconds or a few minutes, so just wait for it. Once it's done, all you have to do right now is click on Log In. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.